Hello everyone, this is going to tell you how to upload image and this text Firebase. Okay, in previous video I am inserting these all data, text data. Now I'm going to insert image and also I'm going to display that text plus image here. Okay, yeah, let's start. So first I'm going to create a input field for upload image. So name image and type file. Okay, so now I can able to access this image inside this handle submit. Okay, so here const img, otherwise img. Okay, here this event e dot target dot that file name, I mean input name is image dot files of 0th index. Okay, so after that here we'll get our image. We need to insert this image into Firebase. So that we need to configure our Firebase storage. Okay, so for that first go to Firebase. Here I already tested. This is how it will look like. In your case, click on this build. Inside this build you can see this storage. Okay, if you click that, first it will display like create storage, like similar like this Firebase database. Okay, so once you created those things, you'll navigate to this screen. Okay, once we upload our image from our React.js code, you can see here. So I'll show you how. Okay, so for now I'm going to import const storage here, get storage. This one it is coming from Firebase. Okay, so we need to pass this initialized this data. Okay, initialization, and we need to import this. So I'm going to duplicate this. Sorry, oh my god, my alt is not working. Yeah, paste that here, and this is storage. Yeah, we are imported, and we need to export this. We need to use this when we upload image Firebase. Our initialization is ready. So here I'm going to create a reference img ref is coming from Firebase. We need to import that. See, it is imported Firebase storage, and here we need to pass that storage. So it will create reference, image reference. Okay, here you can give anything like similar like this. You can give blog and that image value. Image in the sense it's like we need to give some unique ID for that image. Okay, so for that I'm going to create that unique ID by using crypto dot this random ID. So this will give our value, some random value. Okay, so I'll use that, and here in my case I'm going to use uid because we need to store based on user ID. Okay, so after that where we are getting those values, props dot this one, otherwise you can give anything. Okay, any kind of value, that's fine. Paste it here, and we created our reference, and I'm going to upload image now. Await upload bytes, this one. So it is also coming from Firebase. See, it is imported here, and here we need to pass this image ref plus our image. This is our image, you know. So comma image, and last we'll get image URL, img URL. So by this URL we can able to access our Firebase image. Okay, so I'm going to store this image into this data. Okay, so here await get download URL, and we need to pass this image ref. Paste that. So copy that. Here I'm going to upload image colon that image. Everything is done. So first right now see it is showing only blog, and why it is showing error? Storage is not defined. How? Okay, control and space, so it will import. Now it is imported. Save this. Yeah, now it's clear. So here test something like this and choose file. I'm going to upload this one, and if I click on add, my internet is slow, that's the reason it is taking more time to upload. So it is uploaded. We need to display that image. So this is where we are getting those datas. So we are setting the data into this state. So I'm going to copy this and console after this, paste that. So go to console. Okay, I'm just reloading this page again. Yeah, this is where we got data. We got age, ID. See, this is our image reference and name. So we need to use image img src this value dot img this img, and I'm going to give some height 50 and close that image tag. Save this. Yep, see, our image is showing here. I'll just type something like this and some number and uploading some image, and if I click on add, it will add. After upload, these values will reset. See, these two input are resetted, but this value is not even reset. I mean, this upload file is not even reset, so we need to reset that as well. So copy this. This is where we are resetting, so here, instead of this files value equal to empty string. Save this and just clear again. Just type 2 and I'll upload this third image by name. Okay, just clear this. I click on add. So this is 2 okay, should display next to this. See, 2 and that image is showing here. See, this is got resetted. So this is how you can upload image and get image from Firebase. Yeah, this is what I did in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.